class 10, we are presenting a script in front of you. One academic year has ended and we are in the month of March. Fortunately or unfortunately, today is result declaration day, and for that, Harish and his mother are getting ready.
Get ready, Harish. We are already late for the result.
Yes, I am coming.
What happened, son? क्या हुआ बच्चा?
Mama, I have done best, but I am not sure of getting good marks.
It's okay, बच्चा. You might be diffident, but I have full faith in you that you are going to surprise us by a good result. Let's hope for the best.
In Harish school for the PTM.
Welcome, ma'am. Please have a seat. We are about to declare the result. Okay, ma'am. So, what is the result of my son? Harish, you have scored 7.2 CGPA. Only 7.2 CGPA? Oh God, it's too less. Ma'am, please relax. Please sit. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what will come out of him in 10th standard? Ma'am, you only tell us what else I should do for him. I have got everything he demanded throughout the year. Now I am fed up with this boy. It's okay, ma'am. He will try his best next time. No, I will take care next time. Let's go, Harish.
What is the result of Harish?
Only 7.2 CGPA.
Only 7.2 CGPA? Harish, come here. What is this? Only 7.2 CGPA? जब मैं तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड में था मैं 90% से ऊपर आता था। आएंगे कैसे? जब दिन भर फोन, लैपटॉप, फ्रेंड्स, आज से नो फ्रेंड, नो लैपटॉप, नो मोबाइल, ओनली स्टडी। गो टू रूम।
It's our fault only. We expected too much from him.
No, this is not our fault. Harish is shattered beyond, does not like to talk to anyone. He goes alone to the school. His sports teacher observes all this. Harish sitting alone in the sports period. Hey Harish, you got a sports competition next week. Aren't you coming for practice? Sir, I have not done well in my exam. I have no right to play. Sir, I cannot part of the sport. So I cannot do anything. I work on nothing, sir. I cannot do anything. Hello?
Hello?
It's Harish mother.
Yes?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm your son's sports teacher.
Yes, sir. What happened?
I think your son is really depressed.
This is very shocking for me, sir. What happened?
He's always sitting at the corner of the ground and not participating in any sport.
No, sir. I know my son very well. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता वो sports में ना ले. That is very, very shocking for me.
I think you are pressurizing him for study.
Okay, I will talk to him. Thank you for informing, sir.
Oh, thank you.
How was your first day, Harish?
It was not. No.
Why you are so sad?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Why you don't want to talk to me? You have to talk, na? If I am asking you.
Leave me alone.
Why I should leave you alone? You are my son now. What happened?
No, just leave me alone.
But son. Okay, son. Come and have lunch.
No, I don't want to have a lunch.
Why you are not hungry? You have to eat.
Leave me alone, please.
तुम तो स्कूल से आते ही खाना मांगते थे.
I don't want. I'm not hungry.
Son, you have to eat, na?
No, I said leave me alone, please. I want to stay alone. Harish, mother, take Harish to the psychiatrist.
Get ready, Harish.
Where?
We are going to meet a doctor.
But why?
Nothing happened, but you have to come with me.
I don't want to go to a doctor.
Son, you have to come with me.
No, please, sir. Leave me alone.
Beta, please, chalo.
No, I don't want to go.
See, nothing happened, but you have to come with me. Come, Harish.
Leave me.
You have to come. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome morning, sir. Have a seat. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Ma'am, my son is not talking to anyone. He has locked himself at home and now he is not participating in sports. Ma'am, I think he is depressed now. This is very shocking for me. Okay, ma'am. Can you tell me the reason why he is being depressed? We were not happy with the result. After the result, they scolded him. I think this is the reason. I think he is depressed now. Okay, see Harish, I know that you are being depressed because of your parents' attitude, but it's not a big problem. It can be managed out, okay? Can you go out for a while? Yes, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, depression is an extreme complex disease, and I feel that you have been pressurizing him for his studies. He needs your love and support. If you will not cooperate with him, he will be not able to come out of depression. Okay, ma'am, how can we overcome depression? There are several ways from overcoming depression. He should do regular exercise. It will be very effective as meditation. He should take more than 7 hours of sleep. You should give him a proper diet that will help in both physical and mental health. And he should not take so much of stress. Talk therapy is also an effective way of overcoming depression. And I feel that you take care of this. Thank you so much, ma'am, for advising us. Thank you, ma'am.
Harish, come here. Son, this is our fault. We will not take care of you.
Sorry, son, for our bad behavior.
You can take part of any sport, you can do as much as you can.
Sorry, son, again, and you can now participate in sports and you can study according to your capability. Okay? Stop depression.
Stop depression.
Kill depression.
Kill depression.
Don't let it kill you.
Don't let it kill you.
Thank you.